What if the secret to building stronger, leaner muscles wasn't hidden in an expensive supplement, but right there on your dinner plate? Most people think building muscle is all about lifting weights and pounding down protein shakes. But the truth is, the real power lies in the quality of the foods you choose every single day. In this video, you're going to discover 5 powerhouse foods that help you build and maintain strong muscles naturally. You'll see why these foods work, how they help you recover faster, and how they fit into your routine, whether you're hitting the gym or just staying active as you age. Let's start with a classic that every fitness enthusiast knows but often underestimates. Chicken breast. Simple? Maybe. But there's a reason every bodybuilder's meal prep starts here. Chicken breast is packed with high-quality, lean protein that provides all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow after a tough workout. And because it's naturally low in fat, it gives you the protein punch without excess calories. One trainer I know swears by grilled chicken breast. He calls it his muscle fuel, and he's not wrong. If you're aiming for clean, lean muscle gain, this should be a staple on your plate. Now here's one that might surprise you. Greek yogurt. This creamy treat is more than just a snack. It's a muscle-building secret weapon. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, but what makes it special is that it contains both whey and casein. That means you get the best of both worlds. Whey protein digests quickly, helping your muscles recover right after training, while casein digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids to keep your muscles fed for hours. Plus, Greek yogurt is loaded with calcium, which isn't just for bones. It plays a vital role in healthy muscle contractions. So next time you want a dessert, grab a bowl of Greek yogurt instead. Your muscles will thank you. Switching gears, let's talk about a powerhouse plant food, quinoa. You've probably heard quinoa called a super grain, but did you know it's a complete protein? That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own, a rarity for plant-based foods. Quinoa is also high in magnesium, which supports muscle contraction and relaxation, so you recover better and cramp less. I once knew a runner who swapped his usual pasta for quinoa, and within weeks he noticed fewer cramps and faster recovery times. Sometimes the switch is that simple. Next up, let's head to the ocean. Tuna. This lean fish packs a double punch for muscle growth. Not only is it loaded with lean protein, it's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Those omega-3s help reduce inflammation in your muscles after intense training, which means less soreness and faster recovery. And if that's not enough, tuna is packed with B vitamins that help your body produce energy during your workouts. It's no wonder so many athletes swear by tuna salad or tuna steaks as a post-workout meal. Just keep it fresh or packed in water to get the best benefits. And finally, here's a food that works its magic while you sleep. Cottage cheese. Yes, old-school cottage cheese is a superstar for overnight muscle recovery. Why? Because it's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and helps prevent muscle breakdown while you rest. Think of it as time-released fuel for your muscles. Cottage cheese also provides calcium and phosphorus, both crucial for muscle function and bone health. I remember a coach who told his athletes to eat a small bowl of cottage cheese before bed, and it worked wonders for their recovery and muscle preservation. Sometimes the old tricks are the best tricks. So there you have it, 5 simple, powerful foods that help you build and maintain strong, healthy muscles. They're affordable, accessible, and backed by real science. Remember, your muscles aren't just built in the gym, they're built in the kitchen too. If you're learning something new and you're serious about fueling your body the right way, hit that like button right now. It helps more people discover the power of real food. Most people have no idea how powerful these foods really are. If you believe that food can transform your health and your mind, then help us spread this message. Like this video, share it with someone you love, and leave a comment below telling us your super fit food. And if you want to keep discovering more about superfoods and how to boost your performance, your brain, and your body, make sure to watch the other videos on this channel. You'll find a great one linked in the first comment that pairs perfectly with this. See you in the next one.